How to check video gifts on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now as you're logged into your account, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device as well. As you do that, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. Now when you tap on your profile, you can just tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner and then select on TikTok Studio. As you select on the TikTok Studio option, you'll be able to see the option of monetization. So you can simply select on the monetization option. So let's wait for a few seconds over here. So here you can see the option of monetization. There are different options over here. So what you can simply do is tap on the monetization programs. So tap on view all. As you tap on view all, you'll be able to see the option of subscriptions and different more. So you can, let's go and search for video gifts over here. And as you can see, we have no option of video gifts over here. So we can just tap on the settings at the top right corner. And here we have no option as well. So let's tap on the view all option over here again. Let's tap on subscriptions. Let's scroll down and here it says we are not eligible to join any sort of subscriptions or video gifts option because we do not have the 10,000 followers that we must have, and the videos must safely have the moderation to be eligible for gifts, and we have an account that has been active for more than at least 30 days and so on. So since we do not have all of this access, we'll not be able to check the video gifts on TikTok. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.